So hi all to another tutorial about FreeCAD CNC. This time we're gonna take the pocketing operation. I will start the FreeCAD up. It's FreeCAD 17 and here we go. As we always do in the last time, we open up our part first. So this is the demo part we are using. We are in past workbench as we did in the first tutorial, and workbench means FreeCAD is in modules decided, and you will construct in part design, and the CNC is pass. So first we get our job, we work on the fusion, and it will now generate the defaults as we did in the first tutorial, and I simply say OK. So there's a default tool inside. I will grab my 2.4 millimeter bit here and add another tool controller. Here's a simply tool controller. I will add some speed and 12,000 RPM and just control if it is correct. Yeah, there we go. We're 2 millimeters. Okay, so the operations as default. Once more, inspect, simulate. This is a contour, the default outside. Then the next two are the profile based on face, based on edges, and our pocketing based on faces. So first of all, I will choose this one here. So hit the face, it's marked, select it, and say let's go pocketing. What tool we use? We use our 2.4 millimeter bit. So now it gives some data, climb, or it's clockwise or conventional. What strategy to use? I just say offset. How many percent offset it? I will go for 30, let's say 20% as it's a little tiny. Do we have extra pass extensions? No, we don't have. Now for the depth, there it grabs the number of the full part, yes, of the bounding box. If I hit the blue one, it says 1.5 millimeter. That's the depth of the face. So we'll use that. And the depth, we will go for 1.5 millimeter, the same as the pocket depth, the face depth. So the heights is clearance height, and is marked here is 3 millimeter, 5 millimeter. It's hard to see, but it should work. So let's say it's okay, and there you see it's done that way. So we now can say okay, and under the operations is the pocket shape. We now can generate our G code. Oh, I will say we're video 7, and there's our G code for this pocket operation. Okay, but I will do something more. You can have a start point, you can have different things. I will now get the big one here. This is a pocket also with respect to those islands, I need to say. So let's have a pocket that way. Let's have the same tool, and I use climb. I will use also offset and 30%. The depths now, it's 2 millimeters depth, and let's say 2. The step down is positive and the final depth is negative, and I say do it, and you will see a lot of jump ups and downs. as you see here, and I like to reduce this. So I hit the shape. I can rename it, right mouse button. You can rename it to whatever you want. Please do not, for the Windows people, do not use spaces. Use an underscore, whatever you want, and don't use special letters. So let's go down there. There are things to keep tool down. I will say true, and we will see there are a little reducing, or I think it has reduced. So there is more to do. There is a strategy that calls minimal travel. I will also click this, and nothing happened. Should happen. Okay, so let's give it a start point around here. I say use normal start point. In X it's 15, in Y it's 12. I know the measurements of the table, so I will go for set 1 and go for through. Let's see what happens. There is our new start point. Yes, there it is. And it should have been regenerated. I think it does. Okay, so let's do the first of all. I will go job, say here give me my G code of the operations, and now we have 2 G codes in. First operation, and there's the second operation here. Okay, and I will have a look on how does it work. Let's go for job, simulate. Okay. Oh, there's something wrong on the simulation. Why is it not simulating? False. I get an error down there here. Shafter boarding, functions, path simulation.py. So there's something wrong. That material, get it off, and let's say do it now. There we go. We had already a cut simulation inside. It does not like 2 simulations, so I had to take them off. So it runs as expected, and this is it for this tutorial. See you on next time. Hope I could help you. If you have questions, just join us on the IRC channel and we will help you live.